Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to easily translate a page in Gmail on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening Gmail on your PC. Launch your preferred web browser and go to mail.google.com. Sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already. Step 2. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, right-click anywhere on the page. This will bring up a context menu with several options. Step 3. From the context menu, select Translate To. This will activate the translation feature and allow you to translate the entire page into your preferred language. By following these 3 simple steps, you can effortlessly translate a page within Gmail on your PC. This feature can be incredibly helpful when you receive emails or messages in a language you're not familiar with, ensuring you never miss important information. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Gmail tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.